Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I do my deep conditioning. The deep conditioner that I will be using today is from Twisted Aloe. It is called the Aloe Coco Deep Conditioner. This conditioner includes ingredients such as aloe vera juice, coconut cream, slippery elm, amla powder, and avocado oil, just to name a few. If you are new to my channel and you didn't know, please make sure to go to Twisted Aloe. I will put the link down below and use my discount code RE20OFF to save on your purchase of $20 or more. Alright, so now we're just going to get into it. Of course, the first thing I do is start by sectioning my hair off. In this particular video, my hair is completely cleaned. I use my Mielle Organics detangling shampoo. So I did not clay wash, co-wash, or anything. My hair is completely shampooed. Alright, so again, making sure my hair is sectioned off using my crocodile clips. Generally, I don't have a rule of thumb as to how much product I use. I usually start with a relatively small amount and just keep adding more and more until I feel like my hair feels the way it should feel. You do want to make sure you are deep conditioning your scalp as well. I can't remember where I saw this information from, but before I was not putting any conditioner on my scalp, which is kind of doesn't make sense. But make sure that you also apply the conditioner to your scalp as well. Scalp care is 101 when trying to preserve length, to grow your hair, and just to keep your hair healthy in general. Do you guys see that shine? Like, yes, come through Aloe Coco Deep Conditioner. Come through Twisted Aloe. I clearly just kept brushing through my hair just for the pure enjoyment of it. Like, my hair had been detangled like 50 minutes ago and I'm still combing through it. Alright, so I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. I will not be speeding it up. This is the actual time of my deep conditioning session. Using this deep conditioner and my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, you can see how easily this process went, and I am foreverly thankful. Alright, so now that I am finished, I wanted to show you guys how much of the product I used. As you can see, a little really does go a long way. I barely use any of this and my hair feels so great. Generally, I leave on my deep conditioning treatments for about 30 to 45 minutes. For this one, I think I actually left it on for an hour just because I didn't feel like getting up to go back in the shower to rinse it off. So that's that. Unfortunately, I didn't record how my hair looked after on this video, but if you watch my 3-strand twist video, you will see how my hair actually looked at the end of me deep conditioning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and comment on this video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.